Okay, here I am back online. I'm going through my ongoing Arduino projects, and here's what I have. Before I go any further, I just probably ought to show you guys what I'm working out of. This is my Arduino projects book, and here's my Arduino as it stands right now. That's another project I did. You see, I kind of modified it a bit, but that's going to be a star for tomorrow. What I wanted to show you is, rather than crowd my Arduino, it goes through some of these diagrams here, and this is project from the Arduino, going with a simple circuit. Now what I did is I just went on ahead and migrated it to this breadboard. It's a little bit of a larger breadboard, gives me more space to work with. A little bit easier to put the wires on, and you can actually fit more things onto it. You can see that other one up there, it's getting a little crowded. I have a solar panel attached to it that I got from Radio Shack. Picks up light pretty good in the sunlight, as this little light will attest to you. And in addition, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. This LED is not the best in the world. There it goes. It lights up pretty nice there on the tablet. So I hit that switch and it comes on. So that's the ongoing part of the Arduino project, and I think I'll go ahead and show you how this book here. Like I was saying earlier, I got this a couple of Christmases back, and that's actually going to be the next project there. That's going to be the series circuit. That probably will be modified, and I will show you that on the next video. And it's that video right there, it's that circuit right there that I put in, and it's this right here. That's a 220 ohm resistor. See if I can kind of touch it. Right there. It goes to this push button switch. And that's going for my positive. And then this routes it onto to there. And then we have a little, if you can see it, this is going to ground. You can see there's a positive over here and negative. So that orange wire there is going to ground, and that's going to complete my circuit. So right now the circuit's off. I hit this push button and it comes on, just like that. And like I said here, this one doesn't have an on-off switch. I just completed it. I just wanted to see how it worked. And it picks up pretty good. So this is a great way of running projects without having to draw any commercial power. I'm using Mr. Sun to run all this, which is pretty cool, I think. Anyways, that's all for today, and I hope you guys enjoy. You guys have a great day. Bye.